Friends, so this is our today's study table. You can see here its whole area. So first see its explorated view. See, it looks amazing. See, if you want to make this, so please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Yes. Okay, so we have seen it. So I have closed it. Okay, so this is our whole study table which I have made in SolidWorks software. You can see here. So it is our door which I applied here, mats here. It is our drawer which can sliding motion on this table. Okay, so this is the real consumer table in which mechanical designer should have attention on that how to use, which type of aesthetics and ergonomics we can use here. Now we can also calculate its mass also. So go on and mass properties. Yes, rebuild. See, you can see its mass here. So you are become the real designer, and you can also find center mass of here. So it will be really great opportunity for learning this type of things. So please, if you learning something from this, so please like this, because it encouraged me to making more videos like this. Okay, thank you for your support and seeing this video. Okay, yeah, thank you.